In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in CapCut. Let's get started right inside the CapCut editor with your project already open. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Take a moment to look through that toolbar and find the option labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on that. Once you open the Elements panel, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar, type the word arrow, and then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will now show you all the arrow-related assets available. You'll see that the results are usually divided into different categories, such as stock videos, stickers, and Jiffy. These are just different types of visual elements you can use. For this walkthrough, we're going to focus on stickers because they're simple, lightweight, and really easy to place on top of your footage. Look for the stickers section and then click on View All, so you can see the full selection of arrow stickers. Now take your time browsing through the arrow options. You'll likely find different colors, styles, and animations, so pick one that fits the look and feel of your video. When you find an arrow you like, just click on it once. As soon as you do that, CapCut will add the arrow to your preview canvas in the main viewer, and you'll also see a new track appear on your timeline specifically for this arrow element. Next, let's adjust the size and position of the arrow. Make sure the arrow is selected on the canvas. You'll see small handles around it. Click and drag these handles to resize the arrow, making it bigger or smaller depending on what you need to highlight. Then click and drag the arrow itself to move it to the exact spot you want in your video, whether that's pointing to text, an object, or an interface element on screen. After that, head down to your timeline. You'll notice the arrow element sitting on its own track. If you click and drag that clip left or right, you can control when the arrow appears in your video. To change how long it stays on screen, hover your mouse over the beginning or the end of the arrow clip until you see a trim handle, then drag outward to make it last longer or inward to make it shorter. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an arrow in CapCut.